Hi, JDL Brushes here, and we have a new video. This time we are working on an interior sketch. More so, a bathroom sketch, right? Um, well, as you can see, I'm actually starting with the shadows. And I am filling up the spaces where the shadows are needed. um, you know, I think I need to just clear myself here. By the way, that doesn't sound right. I think I need to say this. I want you to enjoy your sketches today, alright? And not worry so much about the outcomes of your endeavors, right? Focus on the process. So anyway, I was working, or I was working on the shadows, as you can see, and I'm working on them in the multiply mode, and I don't have to always just stick to the actual shadows. I can kind of create or take my creative liberty to kind of play with the dark spots of the image and play with the positive and negative spaces of a canvas. So yeah, just when you're working on the shadows, don't just, paint the literal shadows or render in the literal shadows. You can go beyond to infinity and beyond. Anyway. So as you can see, or as you saw, I did kind of increase the contrast of the shadows by using the levels adjustments layer or adjustment approach. And right after doing that, after which I started working on the colors. Now I am using, for my sketches, I do use reference photos, especially for the architectural and interior stuff. I mean, I did used to kind of start, doing it everything by myself, but it just took too long, and yeah, it's just not feasible for my schedule. Ugh. So yeah, I was kind of disappointed by. I don't know. I maybe it's. I think I was rushing this piece, and what I do know is that I'm not happy right now with how this sketch turned out. I mean, it could have been, for example, as you can see with that mirror thing, it does look kind of cool and precise, and maybe that's the thing that's kind of bothering me. It's that I wasn't as precise when it comes to the other parts of the image, and it just felt scattered to me in some way, and so that's why I'm not happy. I is sad. But it's not that bad of a sketch. I did do my best, and I deserve a trophy. Or maybe it's the colors, because it doesn't, even though I did punch up the saturation, it just felt off, right? Or not as powerful as I wanted it to be. And yeah, and I think I tried adding some smaller strokes, but what a disappointment. So that's the marker brushback for you folks, and That is the beautiful sketch that whichever your art, whatever your tool, try to make it beautiful. Bye.